Oh, they're getting down here.
Get on your knees.
Is everybody ready? Judges, are you ready? I think this is going to be a hotly contested event. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Jovanna! Go, go! You did that, girl! You did it, girl! Keep going! Oh my God! Jovanna! Jovanna!
Okay.
She's gonna win!
They're hungry.
Go faster! Jovanna, use the tip! Side to side!
Get it down. We've already got a half a pie down by one guy. Oh boy, he's been a hungry guy.
Chug, chug!
Keep going, ladies. Keep going. Pace yourself.
I don't know, but I want to be hungry! Do it for
Don't
Joe!
laugh. Don't laugh. Just keep eating.
That was nasty. Do it for Joe!
Coming up on our first minute.
Come on, go! Go! Don't choke!
1 minute down. 1 minute down. 2 to go. 2 to go in the 14 and over cherry fighting contest.
Come on!
This guy's really making a move here.
Jovanna, he's like done! Hurry! Come on! Faster! Use the tip! With your tongue, remember? She's doing really good.
Keep at it.
Go! Eat as much of the crust as you can!
A little over halfway you're down to the time here.
Don't get disqualified. Oh. Good!
This guy's doing great. He's using his chin to move the pie around. Nice technique.
Use your chin to move the pie around. Ew. How is it?
2 minutes down. 1 minute to go. 14 over pie eating.
Jovanna, you're almost done! Go! Jovanna, go! Come on! Do it like you mean it! Eat that big piece of crust! Do it for Joe! Yeah! Chug it!
We're in the home
Go!
stretch.
Go, go, go!
30 seconds. 30 seconds to go in the fighting contest.
30 seconds!
Coming down to it.
Go, go!
Coming down to it. We're still eating.
Jovanna, just fuck! Just eat it! Lick the cherries!
Okay, get ready.
Lick the cherries up! Go! 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 Go!
2, 1. Stop eating. There you go. Great job. Everybody stop from your pie. Great job, you guys. Woo!
Okay. Yeah!